Hey guys, welcome back to Tape Measure Pencil Knife. Welcome back to Tape Measure Pencil Knife. I'm Jared. Today, we're building wall art today out of wood. Just regular old 2x6s. I saw this on the internet. They're pretty expensive. This is what it looks like. Let me just show you. I haven't seen that yet. That's pretty cool though, right? How did he make that? I don't know. I haven't done it yet. We're just gonna freestyle our way through the wall art. If you feel like purchasing this, you can go to my Etsy store. It's called Rock the Beat Studios, I think.
I want everybody to dance. I'm just like I said. And when I say hold yourself, I want all of you get ready to stop. When I say stop, don't move. When I say get it, I want all of y'all to go. Hold it now. Boogie woogie.
This thing's gonna be heavy. Can't duck it. We're gonna need a bigger boat.
Now when I say hold your steps to the side, I want all of you get ready to stop.
That was the last one. I have no clue how many there are. The next step, take every one of these, put them in the dryer with about 50 pieces of sandpaper and put it on tumble for an hour, maybe an hour and a half. Just kidding, we have to sand every one of these by hand. But I think that would probably work. I bet it would work. Just ruin the dryer. That was taking way too long, so I had an idea. I invented something really quick. I put a bolt in the side of my orbital sander and then I bolted it into the sawhorse. It was just a nightmare. It was taking way too long. Work smarter, not harder, all those things. You know the deal. Solid 3 hours of sanding. Let's put some MDF on a sawhorse, dump them out, mix them around. Let's go. That's a thunderstorm. We gotta move this inside. Okay, it's the next morning after that pop-up thunderstorm never popped up here. I just gave up. I was like, get everything inside! I shoved everything inside and the rain didn't come. I just waited around and watched the sunset. But we're back at it. I think I figured out the sizes that I want to do. This one, this big one here, it's going to be 2 foot by 4 foot. These two little things over here, these are just extra for now. 210 extra, that's a lot that I didn't even need to cut, but I'll use it to make something, a smaller version. Now, it's time to burn some things. For the fun part, I'm gonna hand select certain blocks, take them out, and spray paint them. Colorful mosaic swirly swirls, and taking them out, spray paint. These rain breaks are welcomed and appreciated. But let's get back to it. The nailing system, where I thought I would shoot them from the bottom, that didn't really pan out. So I thought of a new idea, where we will put all the blocks on the desired plywood, lift each one individually and put glue underneath them, then flip it over and shoot it to death with about 4,000 nails. I don't know what else to do. You think I would have thought about this the whole time I was building it, like coming up with a plan. I didn't. This is gonna work though, I got a feeling. Glue is strong. All the pieces are in place. Let the glue dry 15 to 45 minutes, something like that. I didn't really read the bottle. I'm gonna give it like 2 hours. Maybe one, maybe an hour, maybe two. But I used a lot of glue, so I'm gonna let it dry for like an hour. Maybe sip one of. Let the glue dry.
Cool. Love the jungle as a tools. And I just gotta keep it cool. And I'll be treated like a tool. So don't be acting like a.
Took long enough. It's been an hour. I'm going to flip it over, draw some lines on the back, and shoot it in every single piece. However many pieces, that's how many shots.
Look at you sobbing like a moon. Tryna get everybody's cool. Go ahead and drop it to the groove. It might just be the time for you to do better for yourself. 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 Do better for yourself.
It looks great. Everything is perfectly square. We got the edges real smooth. Now I'm just gonna sand some of those saw marks off real quick and then get the blowtorch back out. Burn all these outside edges black.
So, are you afraid of letting go? Life's a thing to cook it dough, and you could try to eat it slow, but you could miss it out. So dig right in,
The very last step of the day. Put some, God, what are those things called? D-ring hangers. I knew that.
Work out though. Come on, let me see you grow. Don't you be walking around so slow. Are you too afraid to grow? But you forgot that you're amazing. Do better for yourself. Do better for yourself. Do better for yourself. Do better for yourself. Do better for yourself.
Look at this thing. It only took like 14 hours. It's a one of one. And I can almost guarantee you there'll never be another. From here, from this studio. Thanks for tuning in to Tape Measure Pencil Knife. I'll see you next time.
Do better for yourself.